I haven't seen here. O'Donnell was sitting in for him. Number 16. O'Donnell. All right. Good morning, Blizzard family. It's hockey night. Hockey morning, actually. Got a restart on, or not restart, but we're starting up the cycle of the season with our second game against the Pirates today. Blizzard coming off a 4-2 win against the Clovers yesterday. And I think we are almost back to full strength. Looks like our goalie Alex Turner will not be joining us today, with number 16 Donnelly filling in. Believe he may have been on the... Well, I feel like I've seen his name recently on one of the other teams. It may have been the Swarm. No, he's a Clover player. He's on the Clovers, if I remember correctly. So he'll be subbing in for Alex today, and hopefully we'll see some good saves from him. All right. 14 of the boys' normal team is here. Let's see here. C. Hayes for sure. Corte. Oslam is back today. That's good. You see 78 Hayford on the ice. Easy to see with that white helmet. I know Beal, number 5. See Pomaro, number 3. 17, that's going to be... I can't read it. 77, that's nice. Number 9, Hernandez. 78 Hayford. I already noted him. Let me make sure I've got every boy accounted for here. Oh, 86 Lipgott. I see O'Donnell is out there. He's feeling better today. 38 Conrad. Jenkins for sure. And did I see Malia? I think I saw Malia. Number 14. And Gray. 14 Gray. Gray's here. I'm missing one. All right, boys are getting in. Pucks are being put to the bench. Hopefully we'll see a solid game from the... There's Malia. All right, it looks like we are just down Smith and Turner today. And that means Coach Jaden and Coach Corte are going to be leading the team. Just a reminder, in our previous game against the Pirates, we did lose first game of the season, but I'm sure the Blizzard have figured out with the new players on the team, they've gotten good passing and good teamwork down. We should see a solid showing from them today. Sounds like the Blizzard Stormfront is fully energized. ready to show these marauding Pirates how we play. And the puck's down. Blizzard get control. That's going to be a face-off win to start off the morning for them. And the Pirates cut into it there. 21 Hayes sends it down the ice. If Pirates don't get it, it slows down just enough. The Pirates get a hold of it. Pirates bring down the far side and spin around there. And it looks like 71 Corte goes for a shot. Not sure if it got in or not. May have been safe. That was a safe goal. And Blizzard with the faceoff again. 14 Malia tries to take a shot and doesn't quite connect. Gets back to number 5, Beal. Beal sends across to Malia, but the Pirates are right there. They take it out from underneath. And number 15 Thomas trying to get it past Malia. And that's going to be number 21 Hayes. Taking it down, and he takes the shot and all the way over the glass. Bounces off the goalie's mitt there. Strong shot, lots of power. Let's go, buddy. Putting Lippincott on center here. He's got backed up, and the Blizzard win that face-off. Jenkins gets hold of it, sends it forward. Clover tries to send it and can't, and Jenkins sends it back up. It's going to be a shot. Another shot by Conrad there. And Gray brings it around to Jenkins. Jenkins is going to send it across to try to get Conrad, but it slips past and Lippincott gets another shot on the goal there. Doesn't quite make it through the screen. And the Pirates are going to take it across the blue line. Hayford getting on the ice there to just absolutely stop that forward momentum. And the boys stop that forward pass. And Lippincott trying to fight for it here against the Pirates, number 84. Go get it! And the Pirates send it all the way down to the goal. And Conley gets the save on that one. Go, up the ice! As Hayford brings it back around the net, he's going to send it. Ooh, little fancy stick work there. As Hayford keeps coming down, looks like he's going to go for the hard drive. And the shot, just loses control. The goalie's going to save that puck. We're at 12 minutes, 35 seconds. No goals yet. Puck's down, and the Blizzard try to win it, but I think the Pirates are going to take it from. And we're going to do a little back and forth passing here. Back around the net, all the way along the boards, as 21 Hayes is going to set up for it here. Hayes chasing down the puck on the Blizzard side. He's going to bring it wide and get back into the somewhat center here. Looks like he's going to go for the hard shot and shoot. And it's another deflection. This time not over the glass. Pirates set it back up, and number 3 Primaro tries to get on it. Awesome, number 7 Primaro chasing up that puck. As looks like 77 Knight is going to try and keep it from him. Pirates send it hard all the way to 21 Hayes. Hayes pucks it over almost across the blue line. And Hernandez able to send it. I think that's going to be an offsides call. Actually, I'm not sure if that was offsides or something else here. Yes, offsides. All right. Puck's going to drop, and the Pirates get a hold of it. Ooh, I think that's another offsides on the Pirates this time. All right, and we get a puck drop, and the Blizzard gain control. And it looks like number 21, Hayes, is just going to fight down the far side here. Deflected by the goalie, and Pirates send it all the way down and around. I've got it, and number 7, Oswald, trying to keep control of that puck, and the Pirates just absolutely take it from him. Ooh, Kamara fighting for it in the corner there. Can't quite break free, but 21 Hayes gets it. Hayes going down hard. He has got no coverage behind him, though. Takes a shot, and it's a goal. Shot and goal for Brody Hayes, first one of the game. I think that's going to be his 12th of the season so far for Brody Hayes. All right, second one, Corte taking center, puck's down, and the Blizzard break it out. Corte going to go down hard. Flaked by O'Donnell. Takes a shot. It's saved. And Pirates get control of the puck here, and second one, Corte is going to bring it down and around the net here, and off in the back corner. Get in front of the net! 5 passes. Beal passes to Malia. Unfortunately, getting it over to Hayford, it breaks across the blue line. Williams takes a shot, and it looks like it's going to be a elbow save by Donnelly. Number 16 from the Clover, standing in for Turner-Scope. 8:45, 1-0, or 0-1. We're actually the away team today. Say one Corte on the center, and looks like O'Donnell tries to get on it. Sends it back to 78 Hayford, but the Pirates get control, and 14 Malia breaks it away. Pirates try to pass it down. Hayford gets a hold of it. He's going to send it back, hopefully across the blue line before the Pirates can get control, and he does. Pirates trying to get it back across into Blizzard territory, and they get it down into the crease here, behind the net. Pirates get control. They're going to set it up, but they cannot get set up for the shot, and Malia sends it across the ice. With Malia then getting a hold of it. Gonna break it down across in the center here. Malia's going hard against it. Ooh, over sends it on the passes 71. 71's gonna get in with O'Donnell right there helping the screen here. 78 Hayford takes the shot. Take your time. Does not make it. And it deflects off, and now it's a race with Hayford trying to get a hold of it. And that shot does not connect right off the knee guard, and ooh, so the boys hit the ground there. 71 Corte is going to bring it back around the net. Corte running hard here. 14 Malia set up for him. He needs it in the shot just off the side of the net there. Try and make sense of who's got it here, but Beal gets it to 71. O'Donnell tries to get a stick on it. Can't quite get that poke check. Oh, and it's back across the blue and across. Pirates get on it, and they're going to take the shot. It's a miss as Hayford gets control, brings it around the net, and he's going to bring it down. Look ahead! Hayford sends it to Lippincott. Ooh, Lippincott just misses control. And the Pirates get it. still fighting for it here. Hayford is able to keep it from crossing the blue line, but Pirates send it all the way down. Number 15, Jenkins, gets the control by the net. Hayford helps with the deflection there. As that rebound tries again. Poof, that was close. Lippicott's able to get on it. He's going to bring it down. Ooh, just stopped by the Pirates. Sends it across. And it looks like there's a call on 38 here. Not sure what that call was. Penalty though for Conrad, number 38.
Let's go, boys!
5 minutes, 16 seconds left on the clock. Still 0-1. And they're going to start, I think it's going to be a 2-minute penalty. Pirates break away with that puck off the faceoff, but Lippicott's able to get control here.
Go get it! Up ahead, up ahead!
Lippicott going to keep moving it forward. It's across the blue line. He's got Gray on his side here ready for it. Oh, pass was not solid enough for Gray to get it. Lippicott and Gray trying to get that puck out from underneath the Pirates there. Ooh. Number 2, Gray tries his hardest to get on there, and that Pirates player is just barreling through everybody here. But this is going to be Hayes getting hold of it. Hayes is going to run down through the center. He's got Lippicott and Gray right behind him.
Keep going!
And it's a shot. Ooh, just wide on the right side there. Ooh, Jenkins tries to stop that puck moving. Can't quite do it. Hayes gets on it. And Gray's able to get back on side, but the Pirates are just helping to keep him off. Jenkins gets it caught up on his feet, and the Pirates keep pushing with it. Hayes is going to get a hold of it. Hayes off the boards. Off the boards again. Oh, actually almost off the ref. Hayes goes on the far right side. Ooh, bounces off of Gray and just wide of the net there. 86, Lippicott sends it over to Gray. Gray takes the shot. Ooh, just off the goalie's leg guard. Jenkins gets in position. Jenkins able to slow down that movement right at the Pirates bench door. It's going to be a little chaotic right there as people come off and on the ice. But number 86, Lippicott, tries to break away with it. Awesome now gets on it. Waiting for our team to get on it, and I think that's Gray, number 2. Ooh, pushed down hard. That's a lot of people on the ice there. I think the penalty ended. Jenkins is going to take it around behind the net here. Gets it to Pomaro. Pomaro, number 3. Ooh, just knocked down by the Pirates. Pirates are playing real hard here today. Bounces off the boards to their own team here. That's going to be number 84 for the Pirates, passing to number 91. 91 is going to take the shot, but it is wide and stopped by 7, Osland. As gets it over to 3, Pomaro. Pomaro is going to send it back around the other direction it came from, which is nice and clear. Osland gets it to 77, Knight. Knight's going to lead with it. That poke check by the Pirates trying his hardest. And Knight, just misses the chance to take the shot. It hits the, board kind of hard. Looks like he's getting up. He's good. Just hit the board hard. Yeah, Knight's good. Made of strong stuff.
Good hustle, buddy!
Number 71, Corte is going to come out to replace Knight. And Pomaro wins that faceoff, sends it all the way back behind the Pirates' net. Pirates going to break down the outside here, or the inside actually. Ooh, and Pomaro's able to sneak it out from him. Nice little poke check there. Ooh, hits the ice. As the Knights are going to bring it down around behind the crease. And Osland might have a chance to get on. Gonna have to wait for his team to get centered here. sends it across to Tomorrow.
There you go.
Hayford getting on it. And Hayford takes a shot, but the goalie stops it. All right, put Tomorrow back on center. All right.
Let's go, boys.
Hernandez in court. They've taken the wings as Blizzard break it away to 9-9. Passes over 7. Bounces off the boards here. So he's going to try and keep that control. And it looks like 3 Tomorrow gets on it. Sends it to Corte. Corte's going to try and bring it out from behind the crease. Corte's centering it up. And just loses it under his feet there and gets it to Tomorrow. Tomorrow takes the shot. And it's a deflection. Tomorrow gets it again, centers it, but it wasn't right where Corte was. Ooh. Tomorrow takes a hard hit to the ice. But the Pirates keep trying to send it down. They can't get through this particular group of Pirates. Or sorry, the Blizzard. They're keeping the Pirates from sending it forward. Corte's able to break it out of that tussle there. He's going to bring it out of the crease, I think.
10 seconds.
Got 10 seconds on the clock. Oh, Corte passes to Tomorrow. Tomorrow takes a shot, doesn't quite connect with the net. They're still trying to fight for it here. 1 second left. And Hernandez, Hayford takes the shot. Doesn't quite get it over to where we want it, but still ending that first period 0-1. Pirates are definitely putting up a fight to keep the Blizzard from moving forward. Blizzard boys are ready to get back on the ice. Looks like we're starting with Hayes for this shit. Again, Blizzard are going to be going to our right, screen right. Hayes taking defense with Beal on the back. We got O'Donnell. Let's go, and 14 Malia and Corte on forwards. All right. And breakaway to O'Donnell. O'Donnell gets it to Corte. Corte is going to move it forward along the boards here. Keeps control of it as he comes across the ice. 14 Malia getting set up on center. Corte, unable to set up the shot. Pirates get control. They're going to try and bring it back. Hayes ready to stop him. Hayes stops it, gets it to Corte. And it looks like it goes across the ice. But Hayes gets on it. Hayes brings it down with Malia. Malia takes a shot. It's deflected. Hayes gets it behind the net. Sends it up to Malia. Deflects it out. Hayes gets back on it. Sends the shot right into a Pirate. O'Donnell passes to Corte. Corte's going to take it over to the boards and keep control of it. Back behind O'Donnell to Hayes. Hayes takes a wide shot. That's a miss on that one. Wide of the net. But Malia's there. He's going to try and get it back over for control. Corte sends it back up the net, and Beal just misses it, crosses the blue line. The boys are going to get across the ice real quick. Hayes brings it down. That's an offsides call for Malia and O'Donnell. Looks like the boys just lost track of where the blue line was. But still, we are 14-33 for the second period. 0-1.
You ready, bud?
86 Lippincott taking center with Conrad and Gray on the wings.
You ready, bud?
Hayford and Jenkins on the fence line. Blizzard break it out. And Gray and Hayford tangle up their sticks a little bit. Hayford sends it to Gray. Gray drops it back and keeps it in control, but can't quite keep it over the blue line. Hayford gets it and sending it over to Lippincott. Lippincott going to have to chase it a little bit. Lippincott brings it down around, takes the shot, but it's deflected by the Pirates. Connor tries to get on it. Hayford tries to stop it as well and just can't keep it back. Jenkins gets on it, bouncing around a little bit. Pirates are going to try to take it down, but they are not able to get it across. And it's across. Pirates take control. Gray trying to spur off of this. Pirate can't quite keep him from moving. And he breaks away. He's going down hard. Hayford's the only one who's going to stop him. Ooh, good save there as the Pirates take the shot. But Jenkins gets on it and almost loses it. But Lippincott sends it down. Lippincott's going to bring it down hard, and the Pirates are going to have to chase after it. That'll probably end up being an icing call. And for an icing call, we're going to get set all the way back to our circle.
All right, let's go, boys.
Excellent save there by Donnelly, keeping it off. As we see 86 Lippincott taking center. Drops the puck, and it gets a Pirates. No, Blizzard control. That's going to be Hayford. Bringing it around. Hayford sends it up to Lippincott. Off the board. Ooh, quite ready with the Pirates there, but Hayford sends it further forward. That's going to be around the back of the net. Ooh, the Pirates just missed a perfect chance for the Pirates, or for the Blizzard to attack it. Keep that pressure up. And Hayford, no, not Hayford, Hernandez. No, my brain cannot remember whose number it is right now. But Conrad's number 38. But the Pirates get a hold of it, and they're going to send it down. It's a quick pass across the Lippincott. Doesn't quite slow it down, but the Pirates still can't get the shot off. Jenkins gets it over to Pirates. No, shot on the goal does not connect with the net. And Lippincott's going to, Hayford's going to try and get a hold of it. Pirates send it across the front of the net, and they do not get their own pass and shot. Back around to the crease. Jenkins is going to take it around behind the net. Jenkins sends it hard. It's going to be right to Gray, number 2. Gray's going to try and send it forward. Poke check by the Pirates. He's going to get it out of control, but he gets it back. Gray's going to drive it hard. He takes the wide shot to the right. Lippincott tries to come in on the corner here and can't quite get in.
You gotta pass it over.
And the Pirates save that goal. 11 minutes remaining in the second period. Oh, we're setting up on this circle. Still 0-1. Looks like we put number 3 Pomaro in center with 77 and 9. That'll be Hernandez and Knight. And the Blizzard, I think, win that faceoff, but it's a quick shot by 7, number Oslam. Pirates are going to take it back around. And that's a hard one. That's probably going to be an icing call. And 10:20 left for this period. Alrighty. Another thing tomorrow still on center. Ooh, Pirates win the faceoff. But get Oswald. Ooh, just really gets it across the blue line, unfortunately. That's when Hayes is going to take it. Crowd is going wild, trying to get the boys on sides here. That'll be an offside call. I'm not the officiating person here. I just commentate. I believe that's going to be tomorrow still on center. Yep. And Blizzard win the faceoff here. and send it forward. Pirates get a hold of it. And that's going to be a breakaway by Williams for the Pirates, and deflected shot by Donnelly. #21 Hayes and 3 Pomaro trying to get control of it here, and Pomaro takes it back around the net. He's going to bring it down hard, trying to bounce it off the boards here and slide with it as the Pirates get control. But the Pirates cannot keep it down in neutral for long as Knight brings it across the ice. He is flanked by 2 of the Pirates and Oslam on his side, but Pirates send it back. Hayes getting set up here, seeing where his team's at. Hayes is going to bring it down towards center. And he's going to bring it hard. He's going to fit it way up to the net and try to shoot. Bounces it. Ooh, I believe that's a save.
Good job, Brody!
As we're going to set up Forte for the center.
Let's go, let's go!
Let's go fit it! And the puck drops. Forte sends it forward. The Lizards get control of it, and Lippicott's going to send it just wide of the net here. As #71 Corte tries to get it set up. You're right there, buddy. Malia takes the shot. Oh, Finn tries to get on it. Can't quite get onto the puck. Number 46, O'Donnell. Oh, there he goes. He is starting to warm up a little bit now. And Malia tries to stop the puck's forward momentum. O'Donnell trying to go hard for that puck. It's going to be slowed down by Beal. Beal slows it down a little bit. And Beal sends it to 14, Malia. Come on, Malia. Malia gets it across the ice. Malia sends it across to Corte. Corte's going to try to set up around here. Corte sends it to Beal. Beal sends it across 78. 78 sends it to center. O'Donnell. Oh, O'Donnell just misses it. Sends it back. Sets it up to Hayford. Hayford, 78, going to send it across to Sasu Sot over to O'Donnell. O'Donnell tries to get on it. Can't quite. Oh, but the puck just slips past everybody. Looks like they're going to try for an icing. And Hayford bringing it around behind the net here. Ooh, little tussle for the puck. Hayford trying his best to get it free and clear. The boys set up in front of the net to strain. Beal brings it around behind. That's going to be Corte getting hold of it off the boards. Corte brings it down. Stay hard, boys. Corte bring it down, doing that. Ooh, Corte and Malia collide a little bit, but they get control of it. Ooh, Hayford can't quite keep it back across the blue. Pirates taking it back across center. Hayford gets in the way. Ooh, Beal turned around at the wrong time, but he's going to get right back on it, it looks like. As the Pirates try to send it, it's going to be Malia. Send it back to Beal, cross behind the net. Beal's going to try and break it free behind the crease.
Someone's got to get it!
Hayford able to block that shot with his whole body as Corte's coming down center. Poke check after poke check from the Pirates here. That's what we like to see here. Crosby Corte, number 71, going to go for it and take the shot probably. Takes a wide side shot, bounces off the front. Malia's going to take the shot and right across the front of the net. We're at 5 minutes, 17 seconds, still 0-1. Beal gets hold of it. Beal sends it forward. Corte trying to fight for it. He got 3-on-1, 4-on-1 really. Pirates get a hold of it. Pirates number 86. Skating hard across the far side, and Hayford's able to slow it down. Hayford sends it across the center. It's going to be Pirates getting a hold of it. Corte deflects it. Pirates get it still. Ooh, right between the legs of 38 Conrad. And the boys are going to chase after here. It looks like, I believe that's Beal that's on it. Sends it down. Pirates get a hold of it again. With a shot and a catch. Donnelly wasn't quite sure he caught it, man. Oh yeah, Donnelly's doing great. All right. Setting up with Lippincott in the center. Lippincott wins the faceoff, sends it to Gray, and just slips it past the Pirates. 86 sends it off hard off the board. She's going to skate hard for it. She's going to keep that control. But the other boy set up for a second while he brings it around the net. Sends it to Gray, but Gray is blocked by all the Pirates. 86 skating hard, trying to keep up with that puck. That's a shot and a deflection. It's going to be 21 Brody Hayes getting a hold of it. Hayes skating hard. The boys set up. He takes the shot. It's a deflection. It's still free.
That's where you gotta be, man.
Pirates sauce it up to Jenkins. Jenkins takes it to the leg and is going to send it forward. Oh, but deflected by the Pirates. Hayes is going to get it on the backside here. Bring it down center. Here comes Hayes bringing it, and oh, it's going to be an offsides call, unfortunately. 2 minutes, 55 seconds left. Still a 0-1 game.
Let's go, man. Let's go, boys.
All right, let's see who we put in this area here. A6 Lippincott breaks it free. And Conrad trying to get on it, but Lippicott's able to keep sending it forward. Gray tries to get on it, can't quite do it. Ooh, just gets it past Oslam, the Pirates dip. That was some Yoda speak for me. Oslam sends to Hayes. Hayes gets control of it and takes advantage of the Pirates' forward momentum to stop them, and he's going to keep pushing it forward. I think that might have been a tripping call on Pirates 32 Russell. The boys get reset up. Going to be a power play for the Pirates. 2 minutes left on the clock for the period, which will put them at a few seconds overage when the period clock or penalty clock starts.
Get ready, guys.
And looks like Lippincott trying to break free, but the face-off is won by the Pirates, as they're going to try and break down this penalty for them. Donnelly able to stop it. Lippincott gets on it. Lippincott sends across to Hayes. Just right behind Hayes. Hayes is going to try and get control of it here. And, ooh, hard check right there. But Hayes just bodies it. And Hayes is going to take it forward. Probably try for the goal here. Oh, just doesn't get quite in there. Hits the backboard hard. And the puck breaks free. It's going to be Donnelly versus no one, or Williams versus Donnelly here as the goal goes for it, and it's deflected by Donnelly. That boy is doing his job. Hayes, 21, takes it. He's going to bring it back around, swinging in behind everybody else.
Now right behind you, AJ.
Get it, AJ!
Gray and Lippincott try to get on it, and everyone hits the wall here. Lippincott breaks it out, sends it back a little bit. Pirates going to get control of it here. But slipping in Hayford right on time, but just not quite enough to keep the Pirates moving forward. Awesome, he's getting in front of the net here. Pirates miss their pass, and that's going to set them up for Lippincott to send it all the way across the ice. Pirates is going to let it. Thought he was going to let it ice, but he could have played it. Officials don't call it. Pirates sauce it up at the end of the time. 12 seconds remaining on that penalty as we start the third period. Still 0-1. We'll say I am quite impressed with Donnelly. His goaltending today has been quite nice.
Ooh, they're working hard.
So far, we're looking at about 24 shots on goal by the team, with Brody Hayes leading the team on with 8 shots taken on goal. Make that 25 shots on goal. O'Donnell had 1 attempt. Didn't quite make it, but it's still a shot. Own wife forgetting her son's attempts. Anyway, putting 16 minutes on the clock for the third period. Still 0-1. Blizzard leading. Tomorrow going to take center here. 12 seconds on that penalty clock as the power play continues. And the Blizzard win the face-off. And Tomorrow goes down, but Knight, 77, is able to break it free. He's going to probably set up and just go for a shot here. Ooh, no shot taken, but Beal gets on it. Beal's going to send it across to Tomorrow. Hernandez, not Tomorrow. Pirate penalty ends, and they're back on the ice, and they get right on it. Tomorrow tries to send it forward. Oh, it is Tomorrow still on the ice. Beal gets a hold of it. Beal tries to keep the Pirates from getting it, and that number 7 is right on him. Sends it across the boards, and the Pirates send it back a little bit further. Pirates going for the shot. That's a high, saucy shot right off the back of Hernandez, or Hayford. And Hayford sends it hard and clear. It's probably going to end up being icing. Boys should save their energy instead of chasing it. 15 minutes left on the clock. Set up here. Amaro on center. Amaro breaks it out. Pirates are going to take control of it though. And Pirates bounce it off of Knight. And Pirates take the shot, shoot it to Beal. Beal sends it back a little bit. Beal with second catch there by Beal, keeping the Knights or Pirates from getting any shots in. Amaro's going to bring it around on the back side of the net here. Flanked by Hayford, who's going to try and send it back to Hayford. Hayford's going to send it forward, and Pomaro's going to kick it further. Knight's going to try and get a hold of it. Right up here against the benches. As Knight gets it, he's going to try and send it. Ooh, can't quite get it. Ooh, badly timed switch out there. Corte gets a hold of it. Corte's trying to send it back across the blue line, keep the Pirates from getting anything on it. O'Donnell tries to catch it, can't quite get it. He's going to chase after it. Come on, Finnick. Pirates taking a pass across the ice, but don't get control of it. That gives the Blizzard what they need. Malia tries to drive it forward. Can't quite get to it. Beal sends it.
Right there.
Get it, Finn!
Center it.
Finn passes to Malia off the boards. Malia going to send it back around. Well, the rest of the forwards trying to get situated here. Beal gets ready to keep that from moving forward, and he's just barely able to stop it. All right, going to fight hard for it here. 78 Hayford bring it around the net.
Up the boards, stand up the boards. Turn around, Finn.
Hard hit there. Ooh. As the Pirates send it back across the behind the net. And goalie Donnelly's going to take it and send it behind, give the Beal a little bit of time to get a hold of it. Beal keeps sending it forward, and O'Donnell tries. Can't get his blade on it, but it's back across the blue line. Come on, Corte. Pirates shoot it forward, or pass it forward. Off the board, it's going to get to Beal. Beal's going to set it up to Hayford. Hayford's going to take it. Ooh, Pirates just take it out of him. But he gets back control, sends it forward, across the blue line. As Malia gets on it, O'Donnell gets it. Don't send it forward yet, buddy. Malia gets back across the blue line, and it's clear across the crease. He's going to wait on Finn to get across it. It's unfortunately going to be an offside.
Good job, boys.
Set that up for a center face-off now. Lippincott taking center position. Gray and Conrad winging for him. And it gets back to 21 Hayes. Hayes is going to bring it down. Push it hard here. Passes to Lippincott. Lippincott's going to take the shot. It deflects. Gets it to Gray. Gray tries to set up for it. Ooh! Lippincott's stick gets hung up. Sorry, Conrad's stick gets hung up on Pirates player. Pirates set up for it. They're going to set it for it. Ooh! Just break it out past him here.
Spread out. Go to the board, man.
Hayes chases after the puck here.
Far side.
Hayes is going to bring it down behind the net, across the crease. And he's going to keep moving with it down across the boards.
Go!
Lippincott sets up behind Hayes. Hayes takes a shot. Oh! Sorry, that was a pass. But
Go get it.
attempt on the goal is rolled as the puck keeps headed for the ice.
Hey, same thing. Far side.
Hayes going to bring it back around to the far side. Ooh, nice little movement there on the puck. He's going to bounce it off the boards for himself.
Now go!
And he's going to skate hard against that. Ooh! Lippincott's right there to save. Ooh, and it's deflected back by Lippincott with a pass by Hayes there.
Good job, AJ!
But the Pirates are able to get back a hold of it. Brody versus Jenkins. Brody and Jenkins versus the Pirates.
Good job.
They break it through
Good,
a
Jenkins, let's
hard
go.
push. Number 86, AJ Lippincott, trying to get on that puck. Can't quite get the control of it, but Hayes is going to try and keep it free, and he breaks it free. Bounces it off the boards. It's somewhere over here. There we go. And the Pirates are just having a hard time keeping that control of that puck though. Pirates send it hard across the ice. Giving Pirates some time to switch out some team here.
Now get ready. Go with them.
Oh! Pirates stop Hayes' forward pass and take a shot. It's clear across the front. Probably going to set up for another broadside shot, but Jenkins is able to get on it. Jenkins passes to Hayes. Hayes is going to take it.
On the board.
Fancy footwork there. Bounce it off the boards to Gray. Gray just short, but it's going to go all the way down. Be an icing call. 8 minutes, 33 seconds left. Still a 0-1 game. As the boys set up.
Good hustle.
All right, number 3, Pomaro. Puck drops, and Pomaro gets it, winning that faceoff for the Blizzard. Pomaro setting it down. Number 3 going hard. He's just going to try and pressure that net as hard as he can, bring it around behind the back. And Corte gets it. Ooh, actually, or sorry, Knight gets it, sends it to a Pirate. Oslam and Pomaro trying to stop the puck's forward momentum, but 77 Knight gets hold of it. Knight gets it, going across the ice. Ooh. Hard hit there, but Hayford looks like he's going to set up, bounce it off the boards to Pomaro. Pomaro's going to bounce it off the boards again. The Knight's going to get it. He's going to send it straight across, and ooh, bounces off the net from the Pirates. Pirates bring it down.
Pitch it.
And looks like they try to do a poke check there. Whoa, hard check there. Hayford. But the Pirates break it out. Now they're taking it down across center ice. Now to the far side of the board. Try to set up. Going to go around behind the net here. Knight takes it. He's going to pass it back to Hayford. Hayford is going to send it forward to Tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to tussle with the Pirates a little bit. The boys keep passing it. Hayford breaks it. Let's go, boys. Hayford bringing it down. A little deke there. He's going to set up the shot. Deflected. Oh, and Tomorrow tries, or Oslam tries to go for the rebound. Can't quite make connect with that puck. Another shot by, I believe that was Tomorrow. Gets it to 7 Oslam. And it's, just off of Beal's skate there. Sorry, yeah, Hernandez's skate. The Blizzard are doing what they can to keep it down on the side of the ice down here. Hayford fighting for it. Boys break it free. Two of the boys down. Pirates are going to break it down and back around behind the net. 5 minutes, 52 seconds. Still a 0-1 game, and the Pirates send it hard. Hayford chasing after it, still clear. Down around the net, Hayford brings it. And he's going to turn. Back around the net again. He's going to send it towards center, send it forward. Pirates try to set up on it. Hayford blocks the shot. And it looks like 7 Oslam tries to get a hold of it. Pirates are trying hard. Donnelly stops the puck. Still fighting. Pirates try to take the shot and do not get it clear. Beal gets hold of it, sends it across to the side boards here to 46. Finn chasing after it, can't quite get a hold of it. Pirates send it forward. Donovan's gonna have to stop that puck again. Take your time.
Let's go, line it up.
All right, boys are getting set up. Say one Corte sends it to O'Donnell. O'Donnell's going to try and get a hold of it, send it back behind the boards here. Malia gets it, sends it harder. Pirates stop it, getting across the blue line. Just barely. And that's going to be Corte coming in, sneaking in on him like that. He's going to keep it down on Pirate ice for a second here. Say one Corte bringing it center, sends it across to 14 Malia. Malia takes the shot. It's wide of goal. Beal sets up here. Back across the blue line. Hard check there, but Corte's going to bring it down. And the boys are doing what they can. Corte sends it back around the net. 21, Hayes at least keeps it where he needs it, and Malia trying to get on, can't quite do it. Come on, Skin, get onside. Corte gets a hold of it. And he's going to bounce it off the boards, pass it himself, send it back around the boards hard, all the way to the other side. Skate fast, Finn.
I'm going to go take it.
Malia gets on there, sends it forward, passes it back to 71. 71, Corte is going to try and keep it forward. And the Pirates send it back. 21, Hayes gets on it.
Take it over, Brody.
Hayes going hard towards center. And he's going to try and set it up. He's got very little backup. Hard shot right to the mask. And going to call it. Good shot by Hayes there. If the goalie's face wasn't there, he would have made that.
2 minutes, 30 seconds. Let's go. Hustle.
We are at 2 minutes, 18 seconds, still 0-1 game. And the Blizzards win that faceoff. 15, Jenkins gets it, passes it to Hayford. Hayford sends it forward to Gray. Gray sets it out. Can't quite get it past the Blizzard, but Conrad gets on it. And it's at least stopping that movement. Slowing it down. Hayford ready. Stop it. Gray gets it. But the Pirates slip it out from right under him and tries to pass it. Pirates try to send it forward. They can't even get across the red line at the moment. They do.
Right out,
Jenkins gets it, and the Pirates send it back. It's going to go all the way behind the crease. Hayford chasing after it. Ooh, he's going to swing it around the other way. Little board pass to himself.
Look out!
Hayford doing what he can to make sure everyone's ready. And he's going to drive it. Ooh.
What happens? Pass it up!
The offside's called.
Gotta look up!
86 Littlecott taking center. Minute 20 left. Minute 15 left. As Hayford tries to get control of the puck here.
Go, AJ!
And AJ Littlecott, number 86, is going to keep moving it forward to the Pirates. Send it up on the boards.
To the boards, mate!
Looks like Jenkins has hold of it. He's going to bring it. Send it down hard, Jenkins. There we go. Hard send. Technically should have been an offside call there, but that's all right. Pirates take shot. Does not make it to the net. And Hayford tussles with the Pirates there on the ice. Still going for the shots. It's a bounce off the corner post. As Hayford sends across the boards. Looks like Lippincot's chasing after it. Lippincott gets it. Lippincott's going hard to the net. He's got Beal behind him, or Gray behind him. Tries for the shot and can't quite do it. Pirates get back control. Gray trying to fight for it. Can't quite stop their movement. But he gets 15. Jenkins stops it. 15 seconds left. It's going to be an offsides call.
14 seconds. Let's go.
Hard fought game here by the Pirates, but they are not getting it to the net.
If you have to, just send it down.
Pirates, or Blizzard breaking free with Lippincott taking center as Conrad tries to stop it here. Ooh, not quite getting there. Pirates fighting hard for it. They're going to take that shot. It's wide behind the net.
There you go.
Gray, number 2, gets a hold of it in the last moment. That's the stopped game. 0-1 Blizzard win. Excellent goaltending by Donnelly there. Step it up from the Clovers. And that's game 6 of the season. 4th win for the Blizzard. Looking at,